Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Instagram notifications in different ways. The first thing we will do is open the Instagram application and enter our profile. Then click on the upper right drop-down menu and then click on Settings and Privacy. Here we are going to click on Notifications. In this window, we can start by temporarily silencing Instagram notifications for up to 8 hours by clicking on Pause All and choosing a time slot. If you want to silence notifications for longer, you can use Quiet Mode. By activating it, we can choose the specific period of hours during which it will work. Users who write to you privately while in silent mode will be automatically notified. You can activate this mode for up to 12 hours. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you prefer to silence specific notifications permanently, you will have to enter each category of notifications and press the Off option to silence them permanently. You can also use Do Not Disturb mode or similar on your phone to temporarily silence Instagram notifications. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.